আসসালামু আলাইকুম বন্ধুরা, যে যেখান থেকে এই ভিডিও দেখছেন সবাইকে জানাই আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা অভিনন্দন। আশা করি আল্লাহর অশেষ রহমতে সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজ আমি আপনাদের দেখানোর জন্য এসেছি ইউনিভার্সাল স্টুডিওর সেই বিখ্যাত শো ওয়াটার ওয়ার্ল্ড।
Where have you been?
Your eyes on this.
This is pure dirt. How did you come by this?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle stations! Max, sound the alarm! Hallie, get to the tower, hurry! Unlock the armory, get things ready, go! Is that a seaplane? They have a seaplane! Back! Where is it? Incoming from the south! Get on the water cannons, do not let them in! Seaplane's coming back around!
এগুলো তো করবে।
I'm Tiger Woods. Hey, who's got that golf ball? Hold that thing up nice and high. Hold it up. The gentleman has picked up my golf ball. No, it's okay. What? Might actually you need these people. Magnus. Brothers and sisters!
But I know you brothers and sisters, they're with me!
Shut 'em up, Ricky.
You'll never shut us up, DJ!
Thank you. Where was I? That's right. Desolate children. You poor lost souls on this floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. And he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Dry land, we're going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. Neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner. Chuck, shut that gate. Are you talking about your boyfriend? Your half man, half fish boyfriend. The guy that poked out my eye.
Yeah! Is that what you're talking about, huh? What's that?
Bring me the girl.
He's amazing.
Right over here, please. Hi. May I offer you something? Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, I see you want to play games. All right. Yeah, let's play. Keep an eye on her. Guys, what you got up there?
We got an actor!
And he's got dirt. Oh no, he's got dirt. I need to know the way to dry land. So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner.
Helen,
Oh, that has
don't tell him anything.
Oh, and this guy is the loser. Drop it.
No.
That hurt? That hurt you? Listen, you're going to tell me where dry land is. I'm under you will be next.
Jet ski are approaching at high speed!
Why don't you shoot him, Chuck?
He's down!
Gone? What does that mean?
He's down under the water!
Hit him! The Mariner's under the water. I need gunfire right now.
আবার
Guns is our brother who's kicking our butts.
কোথায় মারামারি হচ্ছে?
Well, that was hard to watch.
Yeah, boss, you have one eye!
Get over here and find out what's wrong with this thing. She's getting away. boy. He's not your kind. No, he doesn't have a kind. Maybe let's fully this founder. We've got ourselves a ride. We need the girl. Damn! You think? Find me another weapon, will you? Hi. You're genuinely starting to annoy me. You're not gonna ruin my plans for dry land. You're gilt-necked, mutated freak. That's all you are is a freak. Wait up. Weapon.
How about this?
Let's go, fish boy. Me and you. Helen! You have something on your back. Why is this guy still alive? Like one in dead, John. Get up top and put that seatplate back in here. I'm gonna blast everything to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of the freak. Shut up, I'm working. Don't come in. I need something bigger. Well. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy. Look what I found. Big Bertha. And I sliced it. Yeah, it's been a minute. Will you do me a favor up there, champ, and stand in one spot? You're gonna use Chuck as a shield. I hate Chuck. Winner! Yay, okay, thank you. Little tear rolls down my cheek. Somebody signal my seaplane. Somebody. Like that, I think all of my men are dead. Yeah. Your boyfriend's dead too, though. Would you climb that ladder for me? Thank you. I've got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. Yeah, that'll be me and you, Helen. Just think of it, the two of us, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Clearly, you're working through some things. Why don't you just show me the way? Go pack. We got this plane to catch. Come on, fish boy. Let's go. Woo! Let us decide to save the new world. Do you want man or fish?
কথাই বলেছিলাম
Well, you crashed my plane. Nevertheless, I've got your woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on. Yes! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? You! I'm taking you with me!
Helen! Get the boat! Open the gate! Hurry! This is close.
এতক্ষণ ভিডিওটা দেখার জন্য সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। আবার দেখা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ ক্যালিফোর্নিয়ার অন্য কোনো পর্যটন স্থানে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন।